Thank you. So I was wondering, does anyone here know about the Ninja Turtles? Yes, guess you, I don't think you were ready for that question. So yes? Okay, cool. Well, in case you don't know, there are 4 characters in the Ninja Turtles. There's Raphael, the red one, blue, Leonardo, orange, Michelangelo, purple, Donatello. The story goes, a couple years ago I was with some friends, and we were kind of going around the circle deciding which Ninja Turtle we would all be. And when it came around to me, everyone unanimously said, "You're Donatello." And I was like, no, I don't want to be the nerdy, tech Asian girly, that's not who I want to be, And then I talked to Tom, and I was like, "Who do you think I am?" And he was like, "I think you're Raphael, the sensitive, angry one." And cool, thank you so much. So I was so upset, I literally had a conversation with my therapist. And I was like, doctor, I was saying all this stuff, I'm worrying about this thing where I'm afraid of my perception of myself is different than how people are perceiving me. And then I was like, you know what, this is kind of silly. Why am I talking to my therapist about the Ninja Turtles? And he kind of went quiet, and I was like, oh no. And then he said, Chynna, I actually think you're all of the Ninja Turtles. I think you're Master Splinter, the Rat Master. That is their father, Ninja Turtle guide. I think you get to decide who you want to be at all times. And it just kind of got me thinking about how so often we get categorized as a type, within our communities, within our families. We become the quiet one, we become a certain type of person, and I think the reality is we deserve to live in our totality, all of our parts, and you get to decide who that is at all times. So this is called Master Splinter. Bit of darkness inside of me. I used to try to hide it so I could fit in. Oh, they all think I'm quiet, submissive and sweet, 'cause they haven't seen the dragon breathing fire underneath. 'Cause I am Leonardo, yes, then Raphael, and I am Donatello, Michelangelo. See, I am Master Splinter.